So, what do we got here, Dalton?
Rails.
Feeling cute today, Dalton? Want to do some solar?
Yeah.
Everest.
Solar makes me feel cute.
Yeah. Everest 48X Crossrail. The best. It is, I think so.
Best in the West.
It's
And
it's pretty pretty sturdy. All right, I have to go over there and look at that tree really quick. So we're in East Tennessee here, and I'm looking off the roof, and I noticed that there is a palm tree in the front of this house. I don't know how they did that. I don't know how it's not dead. But there it is. Oh, my eyeballs, even though it's cloudy, it's getting it's making me squint.
yeah, you're telling me.
It's the ultraviolet. All right, rails. We need to get our splices here. Everest rail connector, Crossrail 48X or 48XL. Optimizer mounts. Check out the new ground lugs too. Pretty slick. That is awesome, isn't it?
Oh, that is neat. I like that.
Way easier.
Holy crap.
Is it the half inch too, or is it the hex?
This is hex.
Yeah. Anyway,
Which is fine with me. I like it.
I'll probably have to switch to my hat camera for a little bit so I can have both hands, because I gotta climb a ladder. See you in a second. Okay, back on. Putting it. It's like a pharaoh with a little cobra.
Oh yeah.
Sorry.
Halloween costume.
I keep myself amused
Is,
constantly.
that'd be, 21st century pharaoh.
Yeah. All right, let's get up here.
I'm going as a cyberpunk pharaoh this year.
Uh-oh. You hear that? Trouble in lockdown. I don't know. It sounds like somebody's yelling at someone. All right, the other day, Dalton and I put all these flashings up. It's a quick bolt, micro flashing, and it's pretty cool because it doesn't hurt the roof. You don't have to lift the shingles up and pull nails, and it seals really, really well, making our job a lot easier, and it doesn't void the roof warranty. So just start laying them out. What's that?
The quick bolt.
Shoot. They are. I got the wrong socket. Yeah. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Yeah.
I think it's 13.
No, well, half inch. Or you can use half inch or 13 millimeter. The old one were 15.
Oh, okay. Were they?
Yeah.
Oh,
So they can ship the same stuff all over the world.
I feel that, yeah.
still can't figure out the palm tree, man. It's tripping me out, Dalton. I want to talk to him before we leave. It's interesting that these houses were built with the vent pipes on the front. I've never seen that. Maybe it was just easier because they are kind of older and they're cast iron.
Yeah.
So they typically didn't do that. This is a 10,000 watt system, essentially, and it's going to be split in half with 2 storage inverters and 2 batteries. And because there's 2 meters, you can see here. We got, you know, the regular house service, and then we have a little apartment. So the apartment's going to have a battery backup too, which is cool. Huh? Yeah, there you go. Well, whatever's in that box is the L-feets we were using, so. The L-feets. That's not even a word. The L-footums. Okay, I'm gonna start sticking optimizers in. We'll get our home runs. So I'm thinking we'll transition over here. J-box and J-box. It's a pretty low attic. We can probably do them high. And here, but either way, that's where we're gonna come together. You know, since they're both separate, it's just gonna be 2 home runs. So 2 number 10s, I don't think it matters as long as we know which one's coming from where. We can probably have, no, I don't know if I want to have that come over. Panel edge is going to be right there. That's a little far.
Yeah.
I think 2 J boxes would look better.
It would be hard. It would
or
be
even
hard to tell which one's coming from where.
Yeah. I mean, our home run is right there. So I just wish there was a way we could get that one up higher. I honestly, but it does match the one below it, so it shouldn't make the panels all crazy. But if it did, I mean, we could try a couple of washers underneath that, and that'd be fine. The old racking a long time ago, Unirack. That's what they gave you, is little aluminum pieces that were like washers but open, and you snap them off, and that was your leveling.
Wow.
Yeah. I think I have some in my basement. These are pretty cool. They bond as well inside. Show you, this piece scratches into the bottom of the rail where it pulls up, and then it's got all these little scratchy washers on it. So bonds the optimizer. Need that little piece of rail there. This one's gonna be sitting there. That first one's gonna be down there. Jiminy Christmas. Yep. Squealing and revving. Squealing and a revving, revving and a squealing. Watch, there's that's somebody's song. They just claimed my video. Man, that's my song.
Get videos of it.
What do you mean?
Just go around, do funny shit. You know, throw freaking biscuits at old ladies and stuff.
No. Well, normally I do go around and do funny stuff, but I don't mean it. It's because I was brain damaged as a kid. I know, I'm sad. Why would I send a picture of you to her?
It'd be fun. I'm gonna do a pose. Come on.
No.
Come on, Ian.
No, you're on camera.
Picture.
No. You're on camera right now.
You're just jealous.
No.
This is the first calendar issue.
Karen over there she probably spilled her Chardonnay.
I need.
Oh, I left my gloves down there.
While I'm voltage testing, batting my eyelashes.
High voltage. All right, I don't know where my video ran out last time, but this is an optimizer. What this does is each panel plugs into this, positive, negative, and it's got a dedicated serial number that goes back to the inverter and goes off to the monitoring app at SolarEdge, and allows you to see what each panel is producing, or if there's any issues with any panel, arc fault, ground fault, not my fault, and it actually harvests more energy too, because it looks for the sweet spot, the maximum power point, and basically the IV curve, and it takes as much as it can like juice out of the panel. So an optimized system produces more, and if one panel gets dirty, the other panels aren't affected in the stream because they operate independently. Also, you have rapid shutdown capability because the panel is turned off at panel level, so you only got what, like 30 volts or something like that, instead of, with a string system you're gonna have pretty high 500 volts or whatever. Depends on how many panels are in series. So it's a really cool thing. I really like them. Great for checking out the systems and troubleshooting. If you have some shading issues, it's not going to affect the rest of the string. Even though they are wired in series, they still operate independently. Feeling cute today, I'm going to go get my gloves. I don't need any cuts and aluminum stuff on my hands. That's nice. I'm going to call you Blue. All right, I'll take a picture. Hold on. That's it's Karen looking at you with Wolverine hair.
Wolverine hair?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, one of those.
You never noticed that?
Oh, I do.
Tennessee hairstyles.
Oh yeah.
Where's your phone?
Oh yeah. Forgot you were gonna do that.
People are gonna think we're insane.
That's the point.
Okay, I got one. There's two. Okay, so gotta tie wrap these up, or whatever you call them, zip ties, cable ties. What do you call them?
What did I call them?
Plastic thingies. Is basically it. Take this right here.
The other brand.
Oh, Panduit strap is another one. Panduits was another brand name.
A weird brand name.
Yeah. All right, well, I'm going to finish this and get back to all you kids later. Love ya. Bye. Mean it. Love ya.